Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pillow cover designs. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room or add a personal touch to your bedroom, we've got you covered with the latest trends. Let's get started and transform those pillows into the perfect statement pieces for your home. From vibrant patterns to minimalist elegance, there's a design for every taste. Stay tuned as we explore creative ideas that will make your pillows pop. Pillow covers are more than just decorative elements. They can change the entire vibe of a room, add comfort, and even reflect your personality. In today's video, we'll show you how to mix and match colors, choose the right fabrics, and even create your own custom designs. Whether you prefer bold geometric patterns or soft floral designs, we have something for everyone. So friends, these were the different types of pillow cover designs. Get ready to be inspired and unleash your creativity. Let's turn those plain pillows into stunning focal points that everyone will admire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips and tricks. Now let's jump right into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips and tricks.